Elegant full-service Miami Beach building. Magnificently renovated lobby and common areas. Brand new world-class gym. Spacious open floor plan with oversized balcony accessible from common areas as well as the master bedroom. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances and granite counters. Master bath with jacuzzi, separate shower and bidet. Doorman, valet and security. Hookup for washer and dryer. AC included in maintenance. Building is dockage. An unbelievable value as the lowest price per square foot listed in the building. Owner wants to sell.